Guess who's here? Gronk is here. Taking in a ball game at Fenway. Red Sox with a man at second on the wild pitch, and that's right through there for a strike.
Well, I'll tell you, we're going to have Larry Lucchino. If we could ever get Gronk on, that'd be quite a show.
So it won't be anything until we get him on.
No, it's been quite a show to this point, and it's going to get even better. But can you imagine getting Gronk on here? That would liven things up a little bit, I think. It'd probably bring the Red Sox some luck.
Liven it up just a tad. Because he's a party. That one down the line, but foul. Sounded like he broke his bat. I think you're right. I think we got to get him here in the booth.
I agree. Yeah.
Where you and I can.
But how do we do that? If he's listening, can you come to the booth, Gronk? If he's not listening, we've got to send somebody up there and ask. Because I think he'd enjoy being on.
No, he would. Hanging with you and me? Kidding?